excited.
Very excited. Addis surprise.
Now don't look at me, just look at the box.
So what is added got in the box? Hey, monkey?
Oh man, it is small. It doesn't even take up half the box.
What is
Oh,
that?
and it's pink.
Oh, she's got a wireless printer.
That's pretty cool, hey?
Yeah.
Let me see. I'm having a little bit of this, the symptoms today.
Just easy. Don't poke yourself or cut
I
yourself.
won't. I'm just a little shaky.
Give me that.
One sec. It's Jadens.
Jade.
This is a brand I've never seen, but see.
Yeah.
Business, office, education, household, and then it takes all these sizes of paper,
Oh.
and then A4 and US letter, and I don't know. Yeah, PWA4 printer. Oh, it's pretty.
And his favorite color.
Yeah, it sure is. Put that there, okay. It's got a cord.
Everything has a cord.
Instructions and stuff.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I guess that's true. No paper unless it's loaded with it. I better have some paper in it because my paper. Look at that. That's how it tears off.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. These are to open it, and it does have some paper.
Oh, great.
Look at that. And how do you close it? What did I? Ow! Oh, okay. Look at that. I've never seen a printer so small. It's a thermal printer.
Yeah. That is so cool.
There's the cord. I guess it has to charge. So we'll charge it up and see.
I'm going to stop this and we will
Well,
charge
hang
it.
on, I'm not done putting this. Hang on. I think we could probably charge it right. Oh. How do I charge this?
Well, wait a second.
Oh, hang on, they got another one?
Yeah, they got.
Oh, that's USB-C, right?
Yeah.
No, I want this because I want to just plug it in out here. I could plug it in on my computer with that.
Yeah.
But for now, USB-C, does it go both ways or?
Yeah.
USB-C to USB-A, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll just plug it in over here. Thanks, don't get me in the film. It's so small, I can put it, like, look at the size of it.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
It looks like a pencil thing we used to carry our pencils
Yeah, that's what it reminds me of. I was trying to think of what it reminded me of. That's exactly.
pencil
Look at
case.
the size.
in. Yeah, really small.
What do you think?
I like it.
It's pretty cool, eh?
It is very cool.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Yeah.